Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. As you can see in the distance, we do have the greenhouse moved and up and the cover on it, but there's still a lot of cleanup from the place that we purchased the greenhouse from. So my husband Hank's gonna take the TYM over there and do a bunch of cleanup, and just gonna let you guys follow along.
Just got a little bit to clean up today. We're not going to clean up too much because I'm waiting on Gina to sort through the trays. She wants to keep all these trays and things like that. Gina's my wife, for those of you on the first time to the channel. There used to be a greenhouse sitting here. We took it to our house and set it up, and now we're just in the process of kind of helping the gentleman clean the property up. He's cut some limbs off these cedar trees or whatever, so we're going to try to take some of that stuff away from him. But I can't do much because Gina wants to get some of those as well. We're flower farmers, and so we bought the greenhouse for the flower farm. But I also brought a very special delivery for the gentleman that is letting us get this stuff. I told him I'd bring him some eggs. So let me go set this on his porch, and we'll get started with the cleanup. All right, got the delivery made. Now we can start cleaning up this little section right here. Shouldn't take too long. I need to be real conscious about not running over. Like, I got to take this part home with me because that's part of the greenhouse. So I got to be real careful about not running over anything. But I don't see anything I think will puncture my tires. But we're about to find out. Let's get started. I don't know what you're asking for. My heart's dry from the tears we cried. And it takes time to get out of your mind. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? It's a heartbreak. Look at that big old chunk of plastic that's around it. What do you want from me? It's a last call. I'll set it down here. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? It's a heartbreak. Then just push it with the grapple. Until we both call it just what it is. I don't care if you walk away. I just need something right now. So here's one disadvantage of a cab. I got to contend with all this, right? So I got to be real careful, making sure I don't break the glass in my cab. What do you want from me? It's a heartbreak. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? It's a last call. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? It's a heartbreak. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? It's a last call. Until we both call it just what it is.
don't know how to love you, and the truth is you don't know how to love yourself, and the truth is I don't think you've ever known how to love yourself. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? It's a heartbreak. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? So ask always. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? So what do you want from me? What do you want from me?
So we're making the pile bigger back here. We're just gonna keep it up. And man, it's really tight back here, as you can see. It's tight. I might move that old Roper RT13, move it back out of my way, because I come up this way and get the backside of this stuff here. But it's still, I don't know if the squeeze is worth the juice, you know what I mean? We'll see. Because I'm gonna try to get these limbs for them right here, but I might come in that way. It's a little more open on that side. A couple more pieces of trash to pick up here. I'll leave the fence here. Like I say, not too much to do, but we'll figure it out. I think I'm gonna work on these. Just need to make sure there's no trash that will puncture my tires.
Let's go down to the river now. Let's go down, I'm feeling brand new. Let's go down to the river now. Let's go down, I'm feeling brand new. Hey! I grew up in the country. Back roads looking so pretty. Daddy didn't have a lot of money, but we had each other.
It's all cattywampus, and
Now I'm living
I'll have to figure that out. If not, if I don't fix that, I'll hit trees on the way and it'll knock it out of the grapple.
We got each other, see. So let's go down, let's go down, let's go down.
What I'll do is I'll take a couple of these by hand and throw them in this pile, and I think that'll be close to being done for today anyway. Not the project, but I'll try to get these moved over here so I can get them with the grapple. Just paying attention to the cab. And then when I get done with this scoop, I might try to get one scoop right there. Man, a lot of stuff, ain't it?
So let's go down, let's go down, let's go down to the river now. Let's go down, I'm feeling brand new. Let's go down, let's go down, let's go down to the river now. Let's go down, I'm feeling brand new. Now I've been around the world, kissed all the pretty girls, but they couldn't make me feel when we get together, see. Go chase your wildest dreams, try all your fantasies. The one thing you'll never be is we got each other, see. So let's go down, let's go down, let's go down to the river now. Let's go down, I'm feeling brand new. Let's go down, let's go down, let's go down to the river now. Let's go down, I'm feeling brand new. I'm feeling brand new. I'm
Need to move, you guys. Looks like it was going to get swiped. All right, looks a lot better than when we first started on it. Still got some more over there, but there's some stuff I need to clean up before I get into there too much. Like I say, I don't want to pop any tires on the new tractor. Know what I mean? Like there's a metal, it looks like maybe an old lawnmower handle or something. Push lawnmower handle. There's maybe a cement mixer or something. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's got a, that's crazy. Anyway, so there's some stuff in here that we need to clean out. Gina will come back and get all these black containers. Just a couple more limbs on this side. But not too much. The trash and all that stuff we'll pick up later with a bucket. We won't worry about that with the grapple. Let me give you some observations about the TYM 574 hydrostatic cab. One, you got to be really careful with the cab, right? It's, you know, so that's, I mean, that's with any cab tractor. Getting used to a hydrostatic, I still tap that reverse and when I want to go forward, so I got to get used to the left and right. First hydrostatic I've had, got 8 hours on the machine, so it's still a little tricky. Power's fine, it's got tons of power. The whining noise in the hydrostatic, from what I understand, when I do my 50-hour service, that whining and take that fluid out, put the new fluid in, put the new filter on. I can condition that hydrostatic fluid with like a Lucas conditioner of some sort, and that will help decrease the whining in it. But then I talk to people that have hydrostatics, and they say that you get used to it after a while. That's normal. So it does take a little bit to get used to. The cab, oh my gosh, the cab is so comfortable. It's crazy. It's a big machine, lots of power. It does everything I need it to do. So far, I'm really digging it. The air conditioning works great. Like I say, the only thing you have to be careful with is the cab. Other than that, it's been working fine. Oh, I like the joystick buttons, open and close on the joystick for my third function. I like that a lot better than the holding the button and then turning the joystick. The toggle switch, I think WR Long makes a toggle switch. That's good too. I like that a lot. But these buttons are kind of intuitive, I guess you would say. So, you know, you're like, okay, I press this one open, I press this one to close. It's pretty simple. It's like the toggle switch. If I had my preferences, it would be a tie between the toggle switch and the buttons. 6 one, half dozen the other. Definitely better than holding the button, moving the joystick. Even though that's not a bad system, it's more comfortable to do the buttons or the toggle. Okay, I'm gonna get this thing back to the house. I mean, we only had to work just a little bit this morning. I've got some things to do at the greenhouse. I appreciate you guys watching. Take care. God bless.